I had this idea about putting together a learning adventure to both introduce management skills so that women could have an experience before they try to get a management job in the workplace, so that they can present themselves with confidence, so that they can begin to work out their processes and their approaches and learn some lessons to have a little bit of a grounding. And I wanted to do something to advance democracy, to engage women in active citizenship and participating in getting the vote out. I did a project like that in 2018, and what occurred to me was it needed the supervisory piece, the management skills. I engaged some women in getting the vote out, which was a lot of fun, but I think we could have taken the process a lot further if we had this other component. So I'm putting them both together now. I love the idea of a learning adventure, and the model is a backroads vacation, which is something I have not been on, but I want to do one day, where like you go riding a bike around Paris, or you go hiking in the Alps, and somebody lays out the path, helps you with your stuff. At the end of every day, you get a nice dinner. They facilitate dialogue between the people on the course, and you have the experience of trying something new, but with a little bit of scaffolding around you so that you're not completely on your own and left to your own devices. Imagine having a learning adventure like that. It's not going on vacation, it's taking on a new skill set or experience, but you're doing it with a group, with camaraderie, and with a facilitator. And while I've been talking about this for a while, I have not completely designed the experience, and I'm going to open it to a group of people to co-create it with me, because I feel like it's better to do it with people actually participating in it than to just do it in my own head, where we might or we might not get the right answer. What transformation will this make available for you? What would you get if you decided to participate in this experience? Besides helping to shape the content and create something that will hopefully be useful for many people down the road, you also get to have first access to me in the building process. You have the opportunity to create confidence and kind of a sensibility from having done something, which is different than learning about it or talking about it in a classroom, because you know adults learn by doing. And you'll have an opportunity to access that at the lowest price that this program will ever be offered, at a ridiculously conservative price. As we finalize the program, we'll launch it at a higher price for all future iterations. Also, participants will be put in small groups, which will have facilitated dialogue throughout the experience, and you will have continued access to your group members as well as the broad population in the course. I will also include you on all further updates as we refine the course, and whatever materials are provided to others in the future, you'll have ongoing access to those as well. So it's going to be about a 6-week session with live facilitated dialogue. There will be structure, there will be materials. Mostly the learning will come out of you doing a project. The project is something to get the vote out. It could be voter registration, it could be voting party, it could be setting up a system at your school to register 18-year-olds. You can be creative with it. You could help in a Senate race in your own location, or in the presidential race, or a Senate race in a strategic location. That's up to you, and all different ideas will be facilitated in the process. So if this is something that interests you, please send me a direct message and I'll send you more details. All right, looking forward to seeing you there.